check. I'm not the same boy that you used to know. I used to feel sorry you refused to grow. I realized that I'm just in a different place, on our separate journeys running in a different race. The person I was, I've outgrown that version. Quit taking me back. We're cruising down memory lane, but it's fading to black. I desperately just want to show you all my new dreams, the new me. But sometimes I feel like you just never really knew me. You say I've changed up, I guess I changed, huh? Cause I don't laugh at the same things anymore. I took no days off, then took a day job. Cause I don't clap at the same things anymore. You live in the past, I'm not even mad. Cause I don't brag at the same things anymore. The same things anymore. Okay, check. We're the same, but I'm different, you knew that. I'd rather swing and miss than to do jack. These are the true facts. I get these dancers swinging like it's new jack. I gave you many chances, but you blew that. What more could I do? If you don't listen to reason, and you don't listen to logic, and just believe we're out to get you, sounds like you're the real problem. Sad to say it, but I gotta move on. So much growth ahead of me, there's no room for weeds and discard done. Can't believe it took me this long to set the boundaries. Just to love myself, we air out the dirty laundry. Got the doubters second guessing at the edge of their seats. Your approval doesn't have the same control over me. Peace. You say I've changed up, I guess I changed, huh? Cause I don't laugh at the same things anymore. I took no days off, then took a day job. Cause I don't clap at the same things anymore. You live in the past, I'm not even mad. Cause I don't brag at the same things anymore. The same things anymore. The truth is what you get away with. Tell yourself it's just a matter how you frame it. The truth is what you get away with. Dress it up enough, now you gotta paint it. The truth is what you get away with. Deceive enough people, now your words are blameless. The truth is what you get away with. Sell it to the masses, now your boy is famous. You say I've changed up, I guess I changed, huh? Cause I don't laugh at the same things anymore. I took no days off, then took a day job. Cause I don't clap at the same things anymore. You live in the past, I'm not even mad. Cause I don't brag at the same things anymore. The same things anymore.
Is it all that I want? Well, I know it's hard enough to say. And before, are you any closer to love than you were when I go? I'll make it easier. Now don't you want anyone else to find who I can't recover? I mean to hide. It won't be anything alike. What does it mean if I can't leave it behind us? Now won't it be enough to keep on in my love? Well, time falls so heavy on you. Nobody's looking at you now. Am I there to recall? Find another part of us I don't need anymore. Well, I wouldn't like to remind what you said all along. Why make it easier? Now don't you want anyone else to find who I can't recover? If you decide there's no one. What does it mean if I can't leave it behind us? Now won't it be enough to keep on in my love? Well, time falls so heavy on winter, warm bodies in the back of the room with your friends, getting tired of how have you been. Got whiskey spilled on me, but I love when you're pulling me close. Say you think that it's time to go home now. Another year gone, I've gotten so used to Saturday nights, just me and you. So don't leave me alone at the party, don't leave me alone. The heaven I need when everything's hell, just with one look I know you can tell that we don't really need anybody else. How did I get so lucky to love somebody like you? How did I get so lucky that you love me too? Slow morning, cold coffee, with my feet on your side of the couch. What a comfortable quiet we found. I know I get lost sometimes, make up shit in my mind, but you know how to pull me right back, just like that. Now another year gone and everything's changed, except for me waking up to your face, yeah. And that's only part of the story.